Tricks on how to be successful in the stock market. It is very thrilling to get involved with stocks. There are many avenues to profitability which all depend on your goals and the amount of money you can risk. Regardless of what you choose to invest in, there needs to be some type of understanding about how the stock market operates. Here are tips to help you accomplish that. Remember that individual stocks do not necessarily represent the entire market. A decent stock may soar while the overall market tanks, while a bad stock may plunge in value when the rest of the market is thriving. This is why it's a good idea to diversify the types of stock you own, choosing stocks from a variety of companies in many different industries. If you're targeting a portfolio based on maximum and long-range yields, it is necessary that you purchase the strongest stocks coming from different industries. The market will grow on average, but not all sectors will do well. With a portfolio that represents many different industries, you are in an excellent position to shift your resources towards the business sectors that are growing most quickly. Routine recalibration of your portfolio can help mitigate losses from poorly performing sectors, while keeping your options open for when those industries begin to improve. Investing through a brokerage has become very affordable over the past few years, however, it is still important for you to shop around. When deciding which brokerage to use, you should compare the fees that are assessed for trading, along with other fees such as account maintenance fees. You should also take into account the research tools that are available, the convenience of using their interface, and the level of customer support offered. A basic index fund provides returns that typically match the 10% annual market average. If you intend to pick individual stocks, you want to select ones that offer better returns than this. To figure the potential stock return, add the dividend yield to the growth rate of projected earnings. Any stock yielding 3% with 10% earning growth is going to provide you a 13% overall return. You should always be wary of investing with companies or people that offer returns that are too good to be true. Some of these investments may be particularly appealing because they have an exotic or limited nature. However, in many cases, they are scams. You could end up losing your entire investment, or even worse, find yourself in legal trouble. It can be fun and exciting to invest in stocks, however you decide to do it. Whatever your investment plans might include, follow the tips that have been outlined here to improve profits and reduce losses in the market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.